I mean,
can Labour survive?
well, I think we can, but
You don't sound too sure.
well, if I go to a door and ask people, I mean, honestly, going to doors and ask people to vote Labour, people are going to ask why would I vote Labour, and maybe during the election campaign we did become too identifiable with a government that done a number of things and did a component in that government. It's a sad old tale of junior members of coalition parties. If we had gone through the last 5 years completely cynically looking at our own benefit all the time, then maybe we have done better. But I find it remarkable if you compare where we are now, where we are 5 years, sorry, where Fianna Fáil is now compared to where we were 5 years ago. We got a mandate not as big as what we were hoping for, but we took that mandate in good faith to serve, to go into government. You have people now with a similar mandate to what we had 5 years ago, and they don't feel that they have the same imperative.
Okay, that's a separate issue. So.